What's up, Wolfpack? You're watching Mobility Matters, NC State Transportation show about parking and transit on campus. My name is Damar. Thanks to a grant, we were able to purchase and install 10 electric vehicle chargers, which will accommodate 20 vehicles. 2 chargers have been installed at the Dan Allen deck, 4 chargers have been installed at the Coliseum deck, and 4 chargers have been installed at the Oval West deck. In addition, we now offer overnight charging at a reduced rate. The cost is 30 cents per hour between 8 p.m. and 8 a.m. During the day, the cost is $2.50 per hour between 8 a.m. and 8 p.m. For more information, visit go.ncsu.edu/EV. If you enjoyed this episode, give us a like, subscribe, and click the bell to be notified when the next episode is available. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and X to receive updates between shows. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you soon.